Hey everybody, your friendly neighborhood Glenn here, coming from AAHOA 23. This time I found Chris Guimbellot of Hospitality International. How are you doing today, man?
Fantastic. Happy to be here with the best looking guy in hotel radio.
Where am I looking? Well, thank you. I really appreciate it. So it's fun. Every year we get to do this for a few minutes and catch up. What's your opinion of the overall event so far here at AAHOA?
It's amazing.
As you guys know, it's in the past now, but it's present for us. Yeah, go on.
It's amazing. I hear there's 8,000 people here, which is breaking all the records from what I understand.
Yep.
And we've had a great show so far.
That is fantastic. Tell me a little bit about what you folks have been up to at Hospitality International. What's new?
Sure. We just finished our annual summit where we get all of our staff together and we look at initiatives for the year and everything. And one of the initiatives that we're about to launch is basically right now we're giving away $10,000 in free in 23, and historically that's been used to offset against franchise fees. But what we've noticed is that a lot of our hotels want to upgrade their rooms. So we're working with one of our vendor partners, A1 Textiles, to come up with a room in a box concept whereby the franchisee for about $800 a room can do a full room refresh, and then they can apply that discount toward that refresh.
That's pretty cool because it's going to make sure the product is even better. Clean, refreshed. There's so many pips that are coming from the big brands right now. You want to try to stay ahead of that sort of a thing, while also giving people access to a discounted price in order to make it work. Seems like a win-win, Chris.
It is, and you know, we have a minimal pip compared to some of the other guys. However, you know, we still have guest expectations, and this allows us to meet those expectations.
And that's so important. And plus, you also want to get guests coming in, and I understand you're going to be helping with some advertising as well. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. We're looking at a co-op marketing program whereby if a franchisee does some marketing on his own, then we can they can take some of that money and we'll credit them back against franchise fees. And what it allows us to do is sort of leverage our dollars along with their dollars to get more bang for our buck in terms of marketing.
Awesome. That's great. What are you most excited about for 2023?
It's a very interesting question. Growth. And one of the reasons that we're here is because we'd like to see some growth in California, and we've had a lot of good conversations at our booth this year. And you know, when these shows are out east, you get a lot less West Coast representation.
That's right.
And we're trying to build our presence here, so we're really looking forward to that as well.
Excellent. Well, Chris, thank you so much for being here.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Chris Guimbellot, Hospitality International. Check him out. I'm Glenn Hausman. Thanks for watching. Check out No Vacancy Live. Bye.